is a 4.6 EW10J4 engine with manual transmission. So the auxiliary belt failed, and so to replace it, before I will have to now replace all the keys. Now this is the auxiliary belt kit. You can see this one, oof, man, this one has even eaten up almost half of the roller. I also changed the tensioner as well. The old belt, I don't even know what happened to it, whether it shredded and fell off or whatever that happened to it. This thing, this is enter very well. Okay. Oh man, need to clean off my hair. Alright, so we've done that, we've tested it, and something of now, when you power the compressor, the engine will start shaking. So of course, before now, the one time I did a video on this vehicle, yeah, I said the throttle body is bad. I don't know what they did on the stepper motor, that is such a way that even to remove it is not a problem. So you need to get rid of it, because the TPS, throttle position sensor, is also faulty. So I've asked them to bring another fully used one, which is on its way. Then this map sensor, MAP, also not faulty, but not for this engine. So we're putting the one for the engine. I'm going to show you the one that is supposed to be there. Let me show you. This is the model that is supposed to be there. 963941880. Okay, no, actually this is the part number, the Bosch part number, the one on top, the number on top, which is 0261230057. Alright, the answer is 057. The V6 is 058 or 050, if I'm not mistaken. This one is already filled up. Okay, so they're also sending it. This is meant for ES9J4's V6 engine. So we are changing throttle body, complete with the accessories attached, and the map sensor. So that's by the way. Now for the compressor as well, they bypass the trigger. The relay inside the BSI that controls the AC compressor seems to have failed. We don't know yet, because they bypass it externally outside the BSI, so there's no way to know if it's still okay until I reconnect it. But I know usually they do that bypass when the relay fails. However, I usually don't do that bypass. I repair it. I have contact about 1 or 2 persons that know how to repair that BSI. So they will open it up, change the faulty. If I actually done it myself, I did it myself, but this time I just give it out to avoid there are people that specialize on that. When I did it, it took a while to eventually get it done. Okay, so that will have to be reversed, so that we'll now check. If the issue continues, then I'll remove the BSI, give the person, they will do it, bring it back, mount it, and that is closed. So we know that everything that has to do with the AC compressor is sorted out. Then remaining the fan cooling, the cooling wiring, the fan wiring connections, which is also bushed, so we have to change the harness. So that one is still aside, depending on we find the harness. Now the fuel pressure is very bad, very bad. So it's not up to 10. It's less than 50 psi, and the fuel pressure regulator not working. So we decided to remove the fuel pump assembly. So you can see the mess. I mean, look at the negative wire that's actually burnt. And use waterproof to tie it. the fuel pressure regulator not even connected. Oh man, this is a mess. I think this, I don't know, since I was used to probably the press seat, this one looks different. You know, the funny thing is, this is actually used to be this color. This thing you see like this, that looks like black, used to be this color. What made it to change color is the fuel. The Nigerian fuel. This is what made it to change color from this to this pressing. So we are changing the entire cartridge like this assembly. Getting an OEM. Is that usual? So that when we put it, we know that we are done with the fuel pressure. So that the car will have normal fuel pressure. And every other thing follows. So, if you updated, this I can see oil is leaking from here, from the cylinder head cover, and possibly from this camshaft box. Remember they changed this head gasket before. So for what I can see, it appears maybe the valve got problem. They changed the valve, maybe timing belt. I don't know what happened. But since they've used apply gum here, yeah, since they removed the, I like to have changed the head gasket. It's possible that they removed the camshaft boxes. Yeah, they removed it. I can see the silicone gasket maker there. That's the white one or the gray one. So that may have to be dealt with as well. So the oil leak will reduce or stop. So I'm waiting for the fuel pump, the throttle body, and the map sensor. Then later on we'll deal with the suspension as well. So we'll see. Okay, so the new OEM fuel pump has come. This is it. And here we come. That's very nice. I want to test it. Also, there was something that was missing before. Yeah, I don't even know who removed it. They didn't put this in the gasket. See, gasket, whatever. So I'm going to swap it in and check the pressure to know if it will give us exactly what we want. That's it. Yeah, so we bought the funny use, that's the Tokumbo throttle body. So this is it. Even this TPS connector broke as well. Anyway, as long as it works, fine. Then this is the map sensor. This is the correct one. Again, you can see 0261 230 057. Let's see. Okay. So let's see the pins inside. The sure is okay. Alright, they're okay. So except this thing is broken. They usually break anyway. Okay. So we'll deal with them later. So